Look, you can hate Apple all you want for giving us a phone in 2020 that has the design of an iPhone 8, 7, or 6 almost from 5 years ago. Whether we like it or not, this is still a very, very powerful phone. This is going to be a short video talking about what it feels to play some very demanding games on the brand new 2020 iPhone SE, coming right up. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you enjoy tech content like this, you may want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future videos. 2020 iPhone SE has a 4.7-inch screen with a fairly small battery, but with a monster brain of an A13 Bionic chip. Looking at the benchmarks, we're going to look at the CPU performance in single core, multi-core, as well as the GPU scores. This phone at $400 can definitely pack a punch, and in the GPU performance, it is 27% faster than the brand new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. When you look at the single core CPU performance, it is a whopping 63% faster than the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. And when you look at the multi-core benchmark performance, it is 15% faster than the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Look, this is not the competition between Apple or Samsung or any other devices. The only reason I included that is because that is a very respectable device that Samsung produced, and it is known to be very powerful. So I thought it will make sense for benchmark purposes to include that in the lineup. So the phone is very light and small, so if you're actually holding the phone in your hand to play the game, it's gonna feel fairly comfortable and very familiar. The latest iOS now actually offers Bluetooth support for game controllers, so as long as you have paired this with your phone and the game itself or the app that you're using offers the game controller support, then you'll be able to play the game with the controller. For example, Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, or Fortnite. When you play on this phone, you'll be able to use the game controller. But some of the other games that they don't have very complex or sophisticated game control, such as racing games, they don't necessarily offer game control support. Playing racing games on this phone is very natural and very comfortable. I have played Fortnite, Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt 9, and a few other games, and I just wanted to tell you my experience, how it feels to try to play some of these games and how they can perform. This phone can definitely handle whatever the most complex games can throw at it. For example, when you play Fortnite during the game, it can easily support 60 frames per second. So in all of these games, I set the graphic to the maximum that the game can offer and still handled it like a champ. The actual gameplay is very comfortable, especially if you use a game controller playing some of your first-person shooter games. So this is my conclusion after playing several games on this phone. Well, I have mixed feelings. Let me tell you why. When it comes to having smooth gameplay, this phone can definitely offers that. But you have to remember, this is still a fairly small phone, 4.7-inch screen, and it has a tiny battery. The games that require some precision control, such as first-person shooter games, the size of the screen may not be very pleasant. For casual games and casual gamers, this phone absolutely kills it. For example, Asphalt 9 is one of the best racing games you can play, and you can set all the graphic requirements and settings all the way to the max, and it looks absolutely beautiful on this phone. But some of the other games that require more precision controls, such as first-person shooter games in Call of Duty Mobile, Fortnite, or PUBG, the size of the screen is not gonna be very fun to play on. It's only 4.7 inches, and if you want to play only for a short period of time, it will be absolutely fine and you would enjoy that. But if you want to play for a long period of time, the fact that the screen is small and the fact that you have a small battery, those two things, it's not gonna make it a very fun experience. That's my honest opinion. But again, we just have to remind ourselves, this is a $399 phone. So this was it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you haven't watched my unboxing video of the iPhone SE2, I'll put a link right up here. You guys can check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.